Hi, Paul Golden Gate Enterprises. We're here at our bathroom remodel in San Francisco. This, if you remember, was a small bathroom in the corner, kind of a big bathroom here. This whole area is reconfigured. This was an old shower. This is now becoming a pantry. We've got a custom shower stall going in here, custom shower stall going in here. That bathroom is access for the other rooms, so all this will be closed in. What you're looking at is all the plumbing infrastructure, all the electrical stuff that's been done here. I think I've got 16 or 18 recessed can lights and about 14 outlets and a whole bunch of switches, and got a dedicated fan and a heater fan in here. All this is going to be a custom tile job. We have hardwood floors going in here. I've got another interesting little twist here. This is a recessed pocket door that's flush with the ceiling of the sheetrock, so there's no header, so it continues and keeps the ceiling level continuous. So when you walk down here, there's no break in the ceiling line with a header and a pocket door. That track is recessed, so that's a special customized piece of hardware that's in there. Okay, so this is a quick view. Paul Golden Gate Enterprises, and we'll keep you posted as we kind of progress on this project here. Thank you.